We are here because one thing we have in common, passion. We have passion for antique rugs. Of course, you are here because you want to know a little bit more. I'm here to help you to know a little bit more. I'm gonna explain you some things, and I hope you will enjoy. First of all, how we started with carpets. In reality, we didn't start with carpets. We started with flat weave. Where in Anatolia, because the nomads, they need to find something to insulate the floor because it was very cold. So they start weaving kilims, flat weave, with geometrical design. This was the beginning of the production of the carpets. Slowly, they needed something warmer. So they insert the knots in the structure. Flat weave is warp and weft, bidimensional. The carpet is three-dimensional. So we have the warp, the weft, and the knot. The knot is anchored between the two warp. I will show you something. Let's imagine my finger are the warps. The knot is anchored between the two warps. This is how it looks like. At the beginning, they were practical objects, but slowly, with new design, color combination, they become decoration for where they live. And the motif, the design, they were part of the culture. So every region, the culture has influenced the weaver, where they put designs from their own culture. Every carpet tells a story. Can we open the first one? So flat weave, we have different flat weave. We have the kilim, we have sumac. This is a sumac. You see there is no pile, warp and weft. Then we have jijim, we have shasavan. This is one example of flat weave. Thank you. The carpets are not just textile, they are cultural documents.